It is 9:31 on beautiful Monday, March 16th. Only 3 weeks to our boot camp. Let's take a look what S&P is doing. Oh, not surprising. S&P daily chart found buyers at reversal zone. How marvelous reminder. Nothing in this world is random. Every single support and resistance is absolutely perfect and spelled out by price far in advance. The levels you witness in front of you, where buyers stepped in, spelled out by the price a couple of weeks ago. Buyers continue picking up this steam, but method demonstrated in day trading room, method that applies to any instrument in any time frame. My focus in trading room on very small time frames, with hourly charts as my guiding light. So don't be surprised why we're seeing selling pressure on S&P. S&P stuck at decision point 2. As I constantly teach in the course, respect and adore this level highly. As S&P respects this level dearly, don't ever buy near it. Again, pay attention. All spelled out by the price since last week. Decision point 1 is the end of the minor trend, the most crucial level in the market structure, respected by the price for 4 hours. And here is decision point 2, and S&P is chop, 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 flop, flop, flop. By the time you come to this level, you are in significant profit. And this is picture perfect reminder. We ain't buying anywhere near here. At this level, our bias is very clearly short. So what would be marvelous to see on S&P? To push as low as possible, and then we will be looking to buy. If we see rules are met, we will look to short. What we're seeing right now on S&P? Complete indecision, massive flop. And that's a pickle. Bullish trend taking a major pause, buyers are tired, and sellers are worthless. Absolutely not the place to enter into anywhere near. Right now, knowledgeable S&P trader is taking time off. And this is picture perfect example when it's essential to stay out of the markets and not to touch them again. I would love for S&P to collapse as low as possible, and I would love to look to buy as low as possible. This is overextended bullish levels, worthless chop in a play, time to stay out on S&P. Let's take a look what oil telling us. As we discussed in my favorite class of all times, Fibonacci class on Friday, with my students, we expected oil to continue collapsing, collapsing, collapsing. Very simple and very clear. Sam, please let me know if you're still short on oil. Our student has long-term short options on oil that we were discussing on Friday, and I would love to hear a pullback. Sam reporting still being short on oil. This morning we have 25 students. Marvelous. Sam still short on oil, and as we discussed on Friday, we expected a pullback. And what is oil telling us? Exact same level as you witnessing where S&P had found temporary selling pressure is exact same level where oil struggling immensely to break through to the upside for the last 8 hours. So what are we seeing on oil? Oil is heading further down, down, down. You don't want to buy oil. This was a marvelous opportunity to short from, as oil typically gives us at the pit open. Let's take a look on oil daily. Not surprising where buyers come from. It's a reversal zone on daily chart. And that's precisely the reason. Combination of reversal zone on daily with combination of not far off reversal zone on hourly is where buyers stepped in European session. Again, as I've been spelling out for the last 2 months, when it comes to monthly chart, we are only seeing bullish correction. Short on oil from 106 Based on alpha wave trader method, still in significant profit and heading further down. 43, 42, 40, and all the way down to 32 level, short from 106. And that's the magic of the price. So those of you who came to me last month and said I've been buying oil stocks and buying oil, I said, bad idea. When it comes to position trading, it's only bullish correction. Exact same formula I use on 1-minute chart applies to monthly chart. And this is a reminder on S&P. Why we've been witnessing selling pressure. As bullish rally on S&P from 2009 been staging bearish correction, sitting very pretty at reversal zone of the bullish trend. So again, S&P struggling when it comes to monthly charts, stuck at the brick wall, reversal zone, bearish corrections in play the last 4 months. Oil, bullish correction, oil heading further south. When it comes to hourly chart, I will have to allow oil to collapse as low as possible. Short on oil in a play when it comes to day trading. Right now, way too late to short oil. Let me just show you where oil is when it comes to levels on that trade that played out at the pit open. And that's the magic of the price. Short on oil from 44.35. Currently 40 ticks in profit. As I always say to you, you know my method, you know the rules. Take advantage of the pit open. Don't wait for hand holding. That was a marvelous place to short from. Again, S&P pushed back up to decision point 2, finding selling pressure again as expected. Way too late to buy S&P, as I warned you. Way too late to short oil. Patience in a play. On both charts this marvelous Monday morning.